Whenever I'm feeling lazy and I have some potatoes in the kitchen, I always opt to make some delicious fried potatoes. In this case, we're going to be making some flavorful, delicious, super crispy potato wedges. Also, I'm going to be making signature Kenyan style smoky Pasua to enjoy with my fries. Peel 5 to 6 medium potatoes, then you're going to cut into wedges just like this. Make sure to wash your potatoes several times so that you can get rid of the excess starch for the potatoes to crispen up on the outside. This is a very simple recipe which needs very minimal ingredients, as you can see, and it's going to turn out amazing. When your potatoes are prepped up, you're going to place a frying pan over medium flame and add in enough cooking oil to deep fry your potato wedges. Wait for around 30 seconds to a minute so that the cooking oil can get hot. Whenever I'm in a hurry, I always go for deep frying my potato wedges because they turn out super crispy and delicious. So it's been around a minute. I'm going to drop one potato wedge into the cooking oil. Once it floats, the oil is ready. If you notice roughly bubbling bubbles, the oil is too hot, so you're going to reduce the flames to low, or you can put out the gas so that the oil can cool a little bit. Remember, the potatoes are thick, so you need the cooking oil temperature to be perfect. So I'm going to carefully drop in my potato wedges. Immediately you place in the potatoes into the cooking oil. You're going to toss using your skimmer. Then you're going to let the potatoes fry for around 2 minutes. This is the ultimate way to make those delicious potato wedges. This is after 4 minutes and the potatoes are cooked on the inside and they have a light golden brown color. So this is the first step. So now you're going to use your skimmer, scoop out, transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel so that they can drain off the excess oil. Wait for 30 seconds so that the cooking oil can get hot, and this step is going to crispen up the potato wedges. So I'm going to carefully transfer in the potato wedges. Fry for around a minute or until they are crispy. I'll be preparing some kachumbari to serve with my smoky because we're making smoky Pasua, and I have some tomatoes, half an onion, and some coriander. Also, we are going to be seasoning our potato wedges. Oh, they're getting that nice, perfect color. This is how your potatoes are going to be looking. So you're going to just skimmer once more and scoop out, shake off excess oil, and transfer to a bowl. Just listen to that crunch. It's just amazing. And once done, I'm going to reduce the flame to low so that I can cook my smokies. Potatoes perfectly absorb in salt when hot. So once they're from the cooking oil, you're going to add in some salt for seasoning. Add in some paprika, about a quarter teaspoon. Garlic. A little bit of oregano. Just a touch. Toss. And my seasoned potato wedges are ready to serve. While my smokies are frying, I'm going to very quickly make some kachumbari. I'm going to pick one large tomato, cut into strips and dice. Check on my smokies. Next, you're going to chop up your coriander. I'm going to be using the coriander leaves. You're going to make sure they're clean. Then you're going to finely dice the coriander as well. This is after around a minute. So you're going to scoop out your smokies and transfer to a plate. This is half a medium onion. Finely dice your onion. To season my kachumbari, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of olive oil, and salt to taste. Mix everything together and check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more salt. Now that my kachumbari is ready, it's time to assemble my delicious lunch. So I'm going to pick my smoky, slice in the middle, just like this. Add in some kachumbari. Transfer to my plate. Then you're going to repeat with the rest of the smokies. Plate up my potato wedges. Add in some ketchup. Whenever you have this kind of goodness, you can't resist. I've already been digging in my delicious potato wedges and smoky pasua, and everything is super delicious. Wow, the flavors are super amazing. The potato wedges are crispy, very delicious, which means that you can't miss out this recipe.